Tucson, Arizona, a city bathed in the golden glow of the Sonoran Desert sun. Towering saguaros stand sentinel, their prickly arms reaching towards the vast azure sky. The Santa Catalina Mountains, painted in hues of lavender and ochre, frame the horizon. Here, the air hums with the whispers of ancient stories, carried on the desert breeze. Tucson is a place of vibrant culture, a melting pot of traditions, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Southwest. Yet beneath this veneer of beauty lies a stark reality, a truth hidden in plain sight. Tucson bears the weight of a growing crisis, one that casts a shadow over its vibrant tapestry. This is the story of Tucson's hidden struggle, a journey into the heart of its homelessness crisis. The face of homelessness in Tucson is varied and complex. It is the weathered face of a veteran, his eyes reflecting battles fought both overseas and within. It is the young mother, her face etched with worry, clutching her child tightly as they navigate the uncertainty of life on the streets. It is the college student, burdened by student loans and unable to afford rent, forced to choose between education and a roof overhead. These are not just statistics, not just numbers on a page. These are individuals, each with their own unique story, their own hopes and dreams. They are our neighbors, our community members, and their struggles are a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the systemic issues that perpetuate homelessness. The numbers paint a grim picture. According to recent data, over 1,000 individuals experience homelessness on any given night in Tucson. This number has been steadily rising in recent years, fueled by a confluence of factors, including a lack of affordable housing, stagnant wages, and inadequate access to mental health and addiction services. The crisis disproportionately impacts veterans, families with children, and people of color. Behind each number is a human being, a life derailed, a future uncertain. Section 4. Trapped in the cycle: economic hardships and housing barriers. The economic engine of Tucson hums along, yet many find themselves left behind. The cost of living continues to rise, outpacing wage growth and leaving many struggling to make ends meet. The lack of affordable housing options exacerbates the problem, pushing individuals and families further down the economic ladder. For those living paycheck to paycheck, an unexpected expense, a medical emergency, or a job loss can be the tipping point, sending them spiraling into homelessness. Section 5. Red tape and roadblocks, systemic barriers to shelter. Navigating the path out of homelessness is often a bureaucratic labyrinth. Zoning laws, slow permitting processes, and a lack of funding for affordable housing projects create significant roadblocks. Limited access to mental health and addiction services further complicates the journey for those struggling with these issues. The system, often designed to protect, can inadvertently create barriers, trapping individuals in a cycle of homelessness. Section 6. Scorched earth, fragile lives, surviving the elements. The Sonoran Desert, while breathtaking in its beauty, is a harsh mistress. The scorching summer sun beats down mercilessly, temperatures soaring well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Finding shade and water becomes a daily struggle for survival. In the winter months, the desert nights turn frigid, exposing those living outdoors to hypothermia and frostbite. Homelessness in Tucson is a constant battle against the elements, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity.